Students, forget the fact that they've closed school. Still stay cool. Never act like an April fool. In this season of life, be thankful, for God has been so merciful. My brothers, my fellow students, my sisters, make sure you are prayerful. Just stay safe and be careful. Be very grateful. Never be ungrateful, for God is faithful. Even though we are staying at home, don't worry. God is going to supply our need and make us blessful. So stay indoor. Don't panic. God is preparing for us an open door. I call him Jehovah God of sign, that has signed you and designed you even when you want to resign. He's a God that organizes you for you to be recognized. He's the only God that turned a bachelor to a mancelor. That's why I call him the great counselor. He makes us brave by keeping us safe from the grave. He set us free from the satanic cage by giving us blessings of luggage. So why can't we, as his image, show him homage?